Okay, so this is part 2 of lesson 5, which is working with mental math with percents. So we're going to walk through some together. We're going to walk A through E together. And then you're going to turn and do exercises 4 and 5. Okay, so try these on your own first and see how far you get. Pause, do it on your own, then come back. So, letter A, if 39 is 1% of a number, what is that number? How do you find your answer? So, I'm going to kind of show visual methods, and maybe they correspond to your mental math, maybe they don't. That's fine. So, if 39 is 1%, 1% to 100%, you're timesing by 100, which means that we're timesing 39 by 100, which means we're just adding 2 zeros. So you get 3,900. If 39 is 10% of a number, to go from 10% to 100%, you're timesing by 10, which means that we're also multiplying 39 by 10, which means we're just adding a 0, 390. If 39 is 5% of a number, then to get to 100%, you're multiplying by 20. So that means we're also multiplying 39 by 20. And if you did this on paper, that's fine. But you can also imagine that this is 40 times 20, which is 800. But it's one less than 40, it's 39, which is 780. And if you did that on paper, you're going to get the same number. For the next one, 39 is 15%. 15% cannot be multiplied to get 100, but you can divide by 3 to get 5%. And 39 divided by 3, this is 13, and then multiply by 20 to get 100%. You can kind of see we're kind of following a similar format to our number lines, but instead of having a number line and kind of going back and forward with lines, we're kind of working it through step by step mentally. So 13 times 20 is 13 times 2, which is 26, plus an extra 0. And lastly, if 39 is 25%, well, 25% times 4 gets us 100. I can't really do 39 times 4 in my head, but I can do 40 times 4, which is 4 times 4 is 16 plus a 0. And then I can take away 1/4, which is 156. I realize that was a little bit fast. If you are doing this on paper because you are not comfortable doing it in your head, that's okay. But we're practicing breaking up numbers. So if you want, I would actually maybe recommend pausing and going back and just watching this whole part over again. That might be a good idea. Okay, so you can either here use number line strategies. You can either use number line strategies or mental math, up to you. But you are doing 4 and 5. Okay, if you're done, there is fluency in your packet. I realize we didn't do that my bad. There's fluency in your packet. We didn't do that this week, but if you do it, it will be extra credit. And I highly recommend going and doing that. If you would like to check your work, there's an answer key with the sub. And you can ask if you can see it or if you can read them out to you. Yeah. Awesome. Have a great day. See you later.